video, I want to talk to you about Kaspersky. And I think you have heard about where in the Ukraine Russia have declared the Ukraine the where. And now Kaspersky was bad, Kaspersky was malware. Some countries say don't use Kaspersky if you have a company. Kaspersky is not a good antivirus software and use better Norton or Avira or other antivirus software. So what is really true on this story and how good is Kaspersky in 2025 really? Let us find out it in this video. So I have used Kaspersky for more as 10 years. And I can tell you, for personal and for home office, you have not make it blurry because Kaspersky is a really good antivirus software. It's one of the best. He has always the first place until until 2022. If this happened in the Ukraine, then was Kaspersky the baddest tool. It was have the last blast. It have no blast. It was not interesting for testings like Computer Belt, Chipper, or other computer magazines. But in other countries, he wins always the product of the years. It was the best of 2023 and the years before. So before this happened, Kaspersky was in all computer magazines a CD or a code to download for your Windows computer, and it have an app that have really good feedback from the customers, from the user. That's the best antivirus software for smartphones, interesting, and for Windows. Yes, more tested. We have more awards from other tests, top rated products. That's the antivirus software test, and he's always the winner. So it's now what's here included and the privacy features. Yes, really good features. You have the performance options. We have hard disk cleaner, health monitor, program updater, password manager, VPN. So the suite that all have antivirus software. He has the anti-hacking, the antivirus scanner, and some other things. You can use it free for kids, and there's a free version for all users, free Kaspersky Cloud. But for businesses, I recommend the business suite from Kaspersky. So it looks here so, it's really modern and a resource shown. It's good for Windows, better than Windows Defender. It's easy to use and have a good modern platform. Antivirus hacking und antivirus ransomware protection. Yes, no. Next, keeping your online activity private and anonymous. You have here the freedom with VPN, and you protect your money with your personal data. That was the problem. That is the problem here in Germany, in Europe. The privacy and yes, that's the seat of Kaspersky is in Russia. Now he has a seat in Switzerland. His company is in Switzerland, but before this happened, Kaspersky has his company in Russia, boosting your devices for optimal performance. That's the tools that we have talked about this that make your Windows faster. Yes, you can believe it or you cannot believe it, and check it your health of your computer. So here are the plans. The standard plan. You have here the antivirus, free scanner, the online payment protection. It's the basics, antivirus scanner, not more. Then come the Plus plan. He has the real-time protection, the online payment protection, unlimited VPN, and data lake checker for dark web. So you use the premium plan if you have a business or a company, and you get better support. You get limited offer. You get Kaspersky for kids if it's interesting for you. The expert virus check and identity protection, data lake checker, all of the other plans, and it's for 1 year free. You have 30-day money back guarantee if you use the Kaspersky products. So back to our topic. Is Kaspersky now safe or not? Because some people say, don't use antivirus software, don't install antivirus software. Kaspersky is bad. All antivirus software are bad. I have it said in some other videos. That's not true. The Windows Defender is better, and it's a good tool for personnel, for home office, but it's not a good tool for a big company if you say the Windows Defender is on and all are right. That's dangerous, in my opinion. And his in the last test, the Windows Defender was really the baddest antivirus protection. He was tested by some computer magazines, and all was better than the Windows Defender. So you see what customers say about Kaspersky. They have more than 5-star reviews. They have a great feedback from other computer build magazines. From computer magazines, we have here Computer Build and Chip, but in other countries, in other magazines, they reported about Kaspersky products. Complete protection for your devices for privacy and identity. What I find good about Kaspersky and why I give Kaspersky a chance was the website. It's now a little bit more. It was in 2022, but you can see it here how Kaspersky works. You can find it out more about partner, about the company, and about the support and about the cloud. Now, here the partners of Kaspersky and about us. That was for me interesting. Let us now on the transparency, the Kaspersky Academy, and what Kaspersky makes now to one of the best antivirus software. So you can check this. You can find out who is about this products hint about Kaspersky. And that's Eugen Kaspersky, the founder of Kaspersky. He writes here how he started Kaspersky and what was his plan. You can see his history about Kaspersky and how Kaspersky would to one of the best security tools. So here is 1970, Kaspersky Lab is founded. Here is 2023, Kaspersky is international. 2007, Kaspersky for Business started. Then 2009, I was started with Kaspersky. Here's the first security suite, the partnership with Formula One. Then have we 2013 agreement with the Interpol. I was in this education in this time. Kaspersky was one of the best security tools at this time. Biochip implanted Kaspersky is on rebranding 2019. This was no, this was later. Same 2020. That was here the begin the wear, and I didn't see it here. No, it's not. It's not a history. Building a cyber immune feature today. Kaspersky is one of the deliver is missing. And this time, it's not in the history here, 2014, he started in Switzerland. It's a new company in Switzerland. Living your values every day. You see here a little bit about the histories. You can read the blog articles. And you have here the transparency, right? We put your privacy and data security first. That that was a problem here in Europe. The data security first and privacy. It's not really open and clear what save Kaspersky of you and who saved this. Is it in Russia or is it in Switzerland or is it in any other country? So, but if you read this website and see it, who saved the data and how Kaspersky worked, this was a good feeling to see it and to get it an insight here in this video. Yes, a really good transparency center and really good information about Kaspersky and his products. And so my facet is Kaspersky have really changed this after the beginning the wear. We have integrated this updates here in March 2022. You can read it by yourself, how it's beginning and what Kaspersky do it to make it better. And yes, you can here find the answer about your question perhaps. What's important, how Kaspersky works, what makes Kaspersky products special, and some other things. So Kaspersky is a really good tool that helps you to protect your data, and it's one of the best antivirus software for businesses. Yes, I recommend you this. You can see it here, the small, the business, the medium, and the enterprise position, and you can test it for 30 day free, and then started the upgrade. So My opinion is Kaspersky is better than a Microsoft